Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate History channel step by step clearly. To activate the History channel, begin by accessing your device's App Store. Search for the History channel app in the App Store. Download and install the app on your device. Once the installation is complete, open the History channel app. You will be prompted to sign in or create an account. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials and proceed. If you need to create an account, select the Sign Up option and follow the instructions. After logging in, navigate to the Settings or Account section of the app. Look for the option that says Activate Device or Link TV Provider. Make note of the activation code displayed on your screen. Then, open a web browser on your computer or smartphone. Visit the official activation website provided by the History channel. You will be prompted to enter the activation code from the app. Type the code into the designated field and click the Activate button. Follow any additional prompts that may appear on the screen. Once activation is successful, return to the History channel app on your device. You should now have full access to the History channel content. Enjoy watching your favorite shows and documentaries. If you encounter any issues, refer to the help section within the app for troubleshooting tips. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.